Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm in Falling Springs, Virginia, checking out the Falling Springs waterfall. Come join me while we check it out. When you first get in the parking lot, they have some picnic tables. This is where the two streams meet that flow to the waterfall. You can see a little bit of the stream. But right there is the cliff where the water cascades down from. The waterfalls are off US Route 220 in between Covington, Virginia and Hot Springs, Virginia. About halfway between them, up on top of the mountain. It's right off the main highway. You can hear the waterfalls in the background as we approach them. Should be a good day for it because of all the rain and snow that's been in the area recently. The waterfall is over 80 feet tall and it's one of the largest waterfalls in Virginia. Today is a good day with a lot of water flowing. Some days there's not a lot. That's why I picked today to come, because of the amount of rain and everything that's been in the area. Also, the mountains in the background, get a good view of them from here. Thank you for joining me today at the Falling Springs Waterfall in Falling Springs, Virginia. I'll see y'all next time. Thank you.